Hello everyone and welcome to another video from our channel. Today we are going to be seeing some tips and tricks for solving the Rubik's Cube in the beginner's method. So before we get into this video, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell notifications to never miss a single upload from this channel. And if you have any questions, you feel free to comment down in the comment section below. And yeah, let's go to this video. Basically, one thing is necessary to all the cubists to know, so that is which side the color faces. So if we see, if this side is orange and opposite to this side will be red, and if this side is blue here and opposite to this side will be green, and from white the opposite side will be yellow. So these are the basic things we need to know. If red means orange, yellow means white, and green means blue. So these are the basic thing you need to know for solving the white cross. So this is very important and necessary for solving the white cross. So if you want to immediately finish the white cross, means you will need this trick. This is not a trick, but yeah, this is necessary for solving the white cross. Let's go to the next step, next part. So now what we are going to see here is how to finish the Rubik's Cube fastly. The last method of the Rubik's Cube beginner method. Last method we will use the formula, the righty algorithm, once lefty once and righty 5 times and lefty 5 times. Yeah, but it will not solve in the first time itself. Sometimes it may take second time to solve, but this time it will only take first time itself to solve. So there's basic requirement for solving this using this formula and solving it the first time itself. So that is the solved side's opposite side. What is the color? First you need to see. So for me here is the blue color, the solved side's opposite side. So the missing piece, the misplaced piece here is the yellow and blue piece here, blue edge piece. We need to search for that yellow and blue edge piece and which direction it is from the solved face. So if you see from the solved face, the yellow and blue piece is here. So we need to start from the left side. So lefty algorithm one time, L prime U prime L U, righty once and lefty 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, righty 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. So you'll get this solved face here. So let's go to the right side of this one. So now my solved side is blue and opposite side is green, and the missing piece is yellow and green. So when we look for the yellow and green piece here, it is on the red piece, red face, which is right side to the blue face. So if it came like that, you need to start from right side. So righty once, lefty once, righty 5 times, lefty 5 times. So you'll get a solved cube here. And yeah, let's go to the next step. So now actually we're going to be seeing some new formula for solving the last phase of the Rubik's Cube in the beginner's method. So that is, instead of doing the righty algorithm 5 times, we have reduced the algorithm's length. So yeah, I'll say you when we go into that. So first what we need to do is regularly we need to check which side you need to go. The unsolved sides pieces here. So it's here, it needs to go here. So what we are going to do here is lefty algorithm once as usual, righty once, and here's the change. So instead of doing the lefty algorithm 5 times, we'll be using another algorithm, that is u prime l prime u prime l prime and u l. So here also we'll be using the similar formula, that is u r u prime r prime. So it gets solved. Yeah, it's, you can use this formula, but before I dive into the next one, you might be yelling at me that why did you not say in the first place? So actually I just want to say to you guys how to solve the last step within one first time itself. So after that only I planned on saying to you guys about this one. So yeah, sorry for that. Sorry, next one will go. In this case this piece needs to go here. So in order to do that, what we need to do is righty algorithm once, lefty algorithm once, and then we are going to use the previous algorithm which I taught to you, but the last one, the right side one. So that is u prime r prime, and then for lefty algorithm u prime l prime u l. So it gets solved. Actually what is this means, like if you are blindly doing the righty once, lefty once, righty 5 times and lefty 5 times, that algorithm, you might be exceeding more than 100 moves. Yeah, I forgot the actual count, but after I told you about the how to do it in the first attempt itself, you might be doing within the 30 to 40 moves, and this one will be 16 to 32 moves only when you learn this one. Yeah, that's the video, I think so. Yeah, if you had not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, that's the basic tips and tricks for solving the Rubik's Cube in beginners method. We'll also go for the F12 in the future. So yeah, I can guarantee you that we'll be seeing the F12. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, bye.